ChatGPT started running ads and we built the window to see them. That's 1 of 4. This is searchable in 60, every update to the platform from July. The agent has been rebuilt. Tell it what you want, it plans it, you approve it, it runs it. Content is also folded into that, so it drafts, edits, and publishes to your CMS. Reports are live documents, not dead exports. And we have over 80 data blocks. You can filter a competitor, the whole thing rescopes. Send it as a PDF, a link, or a weekly email. The ads library. Every ChatGPT ad we've seen backdated a month, filtered to your direct competitors. Think the meta ad library, but for ChatGPT. Your searchable data now works inside of Claude and ChatGPT. That's MCP. Ask how you're performing, you get a card back with score, trend, every platform. It is not just a written paragraph. That's the month's update in a minute. This is where we make AI search make sense.